To cut the cucumber, first we can cut off the ends. Then cut it in half, crosswise. And quarter it lengthwise. Smash the cucumber a little bit. So by doing so, the cucumber would absorb the dressing a lot better. Cut it into half-inch pieces. Do the same with another half of the cucumber. Put everything in a bowl. Over low heat. And garlic. Cook for about 1 minute until it is lightly brown. Set aside. To season the cucumber, add the salt, sugar, soba tsuyu soup base. This is going to add some more umami flavor to it, but you can also replace it with just the regular soy sauce. Rice vinegar, sesame oil, and the garlic oil. Mix well. That's it. It is so easy. Got it? Wow. 好吃啊? You like it? Emma approved. 这边要不要？要。一个，我觉好香。哎呦，妈妈。好吃吗？Let's do a dance. Let's do a dance. Baby shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Oh, can you do it again?